Hello, what's up, my beautiful people? How are you doing this morning, guys? Just taking a little nature stroll right here in this lovely, cool area, right, guys? Where you can hear the birds chirping. Mango, no, a mango time? No, man, this is unusual. Watch mango up there. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. Mango, unusual. I think mango time gone. What? I didn't know full. If me could have reached it, me pick it. I think mango time they gone. Whoa, let them ripe, guys. These over here, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see those up there. Yes, guys, so how are you doing? Sister Jacqueline Case, bless up yourself. How are you doing, Sister Jacqueline Case? Remember, Sister Jacqueline Case, we do love you. All right, Sister Jacqueline Case. Teresa Myers, bless up yourself every time. Joseph Brown, where you there? Bless up yourself, Joseph Brown. How are you doing, Joseph Brown? All right. Selvin Richards, Junior Lynn. Bless up yourself, of course. Tony, bless up yourself every time, Tony. All right. Still going, guys. I'm going down this hill, steep hill now. And this is a nature walk. You hear the knocking? People were at work. Right, guys? People are at work. Wow, it's so nice to take a little stroll in the early morning. You feel so refreshed and energized. Yes, man. Boxer, how you doing, man? Bless up yourself. All right, to all Ivan Dias, how you doing? Bless up yourself. A long time I don't see you, know. Ivan Dias, bless up yourself. I hope you're okay. All right, Teresa Myers, bless up yourself. Andrea F, bless up yourself. And to everyone that are not a YouTuber who always support my channel, bless up on yourself. I do love you guys. Yes, just have a stroll with me. Hope it's not shaking up too much. You hear the birds, guys? You hear them? Hey. These coconut trees soon bear, you know. Soon start to bear. See how them flourishing? Lovely coconut trees along the path. Lovely. Look where I'm coming from, guys. You see up there? That's where I'm coming from. Yes, nice little walk. The morning sun is coming out a little here now, but I don't mind it because sun is also good for our bodies as well. Yes, guys. Hey! My super chatters, how are you doing, guys? My commenters, what up? My old subscribers, my returnee subscribers, my new subscribers, how you doing? Bless up on yourself, man. I really do appreciate you guys. And to all my supporters, subscribers that are coming, keep on coming, keep on coming, keep on coming, guys. Yes, keep on coming, checking in on the amazing M&G channel. Yes, it's a family channel, guys. You and down to the baby just born can watch my channel. Yes, bless upon yourself. Oh, should I carry my water? But I'm not carrying the water with me. Yes, I should carry my water, but no water, guys. And up this place, if you don't walk with the water, you're going to stay thirsty until you reach wherever you're going. Oh, come out of the road, guys. People coming down speedily. Oh, we have all sorts of fruit trees up here. Anyway, we have apple. I see apple tree there. I see guava. Of course, almond is plenty full up here. Almond tree. Yes. Right. And that is a sour orange tree. Now, way over there, you have that sour orange tree. Lot of flowers along the side here. And you have grass. They have trees that are so beautiful when you put them in a vase. Yes. Guys, not only flowers that blooming can make your place look beautiful, you know. You have trees and grass that make a place look beautiful as well. Yes, man. You just cut them nicely with water and put them into your vase. Looks so attractive. Yes, guys. Wow, look at this bird here, guys. Look there. You can see him. Can see him, guys? Jesus, I want to him fly. Him fly, guys. Him fly. Him fly. So this is nature, guys. Lots of beautiful trees around. Yes, this is another path I'm coming through. Right, to see this path. I'm still going along, guys. Bless upon yourself. All right. yes, my beautiful people. So to everyone all around the world, I want to thank you so much for always supporting the amazing M&G channel. My super chatters, everyone that share me out, to all my supporters, I love you guys so much. Please continue to like, watch, share, subscribe, share me out if you can, guys, to the amazing M&G channel. Right, guys? So let me go again and say to my commenters, my watchers, my viewers, my in the bush people, that mean the people that watch my channel and do not comment, I do really love you guys. And to everyone that super chat me, good morning, bless up yourself. To everyone that share me out, bless up on yourself. To everyone all around the world, bless up on a nice clean self. I really do appreciate you guys. But before I leave, you know, I always leave my Bible verse with you that says, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish but have everlasting life. I do love you guys. Have a great day now. Love you all. Lily, bless up yourself. Bye everyone. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye guys. Bye everyone.